Anthony Joshua has returned home in Nigeria and is recovering well after hospital discharge. Doctors confirm his injuries are not life-threatening. The two deceased friends are being repatriated to the UK. Funeral arrangements are underway with their families in Britain. Joshua and his family have paid private respects. Nigerian authorities investigate the crash on road safety. Focus areas include speed, overtaking, and road conditions. Final findings will be released once investigations are complete.